don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.
In this video, we are going to learn how to create a campaign and how to send an email to all your subscribers. Now, you can create a campaign and you can send it to different ways. But here I'll tell you a way, that is, click on campaign over here, that is in the menu section. Then after that, you have to create campaign. See, we have created campaign. See, firstly we had in the last video I have created a new campaign called a campaign, so I have created it. But now we'll just click on create campaign. Okay, and then we want to create email campaign. We have to send them to ad, landing page, survey, whatsoever may it be. But I'll click on email because in this video we are going to stress more upon email. Campaign name, you can give it, again I'll give it new campaign, or I can give some different name also, that maybe announcement. I'll give it announcement. Okay, I'm just giving any random. I have not kept any link with anything. I am just giving anything randomly. Okay, just a dummy thing I'm creating just for your understanding and a better understanding for you guys. So I am just adding any images, any text I'm writing, but I am trying my best to give you the best. So in this way you will understand. See, don't go on my images and my whatever I have written. I have just done it a dummy site over here. Okay. Now add recipients. All subscriber contacts in the audience, tasty tongue, 3 recipient, your to field is now not personalized with merge tags. We'll edit it first. Okay. 2. Audience, segment or tag. In segment of tag, we have to select, do you want to send to a particular segment only? See, in segment also you can create a campaign, but there you have to go personally in that thing and you have to send it. But here you can directly go and send it. But now I'll go all subscribers in audience. And who is it? Tasty tongue. That, in tasty tongue I had created 3 subscribers, so they only, I'll keep them only. Personalize the to field. Add merge tag to display your recipient's name to make it more personal. Okay, so you had learned over there, fields and merge tags. In that video I had said you that to make it more personalized, you want to add some, hi Archana, then it gives more personal, message. So I'm going to click upon it and merge select. I am going to keep the first name, and first name and last name is also okay. I'll keep first name and last name, and I'm going to save this thing. Okay, firstly I have kept all subscribers, then I had done with this edit from who we are giving it, so we are giving it. You can edit this. Now coming on to the subject. You have subject and a preview text. See, on the right hand side here you can see some guidelines. You should always go through these guidelines, that try to use no more than 9 words, try to use no more than 1 emoji, and all of these things. When we were creating an email, it was similar to this. Okay, now whatever you want to write. Okay, subject for announcement of offer. For example, I am putting here announcement for offer. Okay, you can just, and here exciting offer for you. I'll just correct it, exciting offers for you. Okay, if you want to add a emoji, you can just add it. I'll save it. And then moving down, we are going to create an email design. While creating an email also, we had learned about it. We'll go in design email, and there we are going to actually create a design for our email. Okay, here you can choose templates, here you can choose any theme, a layout whatsoever, but according to your own. See, now I have set that announcement, so make an announcement. Then I'll select the theme layout appropriately. Now I can't select sell product, now I can't select tell a story, follow up. No, I have to select this one only. In themes also, if I go, I'll select the appropriate one that will help me to make an announcement. Save templates, which template we had made earlier. Okay, these were the dummy templates we had made earlier. Okay, campaigns, if we have done any earlier campaign, then here, but we have not done it. Okay, code your own. If you want to code your own template, you want to create a content of your own, then you can just do it from here. But now I am not uploading anything over here, because you know how to edit it. After selecting on it, you can click on it. On the right side, a box will open where you can just edit with it and manipulate certain things and can make it attractive. Now coming down, share your campaign. If you want to share your campaign, you have to just copy this and paste it where you want. If you want to edit it, you can edit the URL, but it is a paid version, so we are not going to click on it. We'll leave it as it is. But if you want to edit your URL, you don't like this URL, then you can just do it from there. And if you want to connect it to Facebook, means you want to the content which we have created, you want to upload it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, then you have to connect your Facebook over here, connect Twitter, connect Instagram to this website, and then you can just share it over there also. And after finishing, you have to click on send. Now I have not done it completely, so I can't send it, but after doing all this thing, I am just going to click on send. So in this way, we are going to create a campaign, email campaign, and we'll send it through email. Now you can create a campaign, you can send it through ad, post. There are so many options, so you can just go it through there. Already there are templates. You have to just click it, drag and drop certain things, remove certain content, add your own content, remove an image, add your image. And now I do think so that you can all guys do it, because it is very easy. Firstly, onto your menu, you have to click on campaigns. Then in campaigns, you have to go and click on create campaigns, and then you have to select. See, you have to click on create campaign, then to, from, content, subject line, then your footer you want to design. If you want to share it onto Facebook, you want to share it through URL, you can just copy it, and then you have to just send it. Do you want to send to all subscribers? Do you want to send it to some group people, or do you want to send a segment of your subscribers? Then you can accordingly do it. So it is so easy to do it. So I'll tell you guys to just try it once. Again, I'm telling, go into campaigns, create, and click on emails, and then click on create campaigns. Do it, design it. If you want to take a ready-made template, do it and click on that ready-made template and upload it. It is very easy. Do try it.